suspects wearing scarves over their faces.
10-4. Disorderly's call. Reported for juveniles in front of the store yelling and swearing.
I got that spicy ass flow, call it pepper jack. Is it tax season? Cause I got my money back. Feta and cheddar, my pockets bigger than my belly. Sandwich squad together better than peanut butter and jelly. My name is Fresh Mayo, don't you get it confused. I'm bigger than Kim's booty, a shit you see in the news. Monterey Matt and Soggy Tomato Square. We bout to blow up, just sit back, hope you prepared. Provolone, I do it alone, don't need help. The girls are always satisfied, 5-star reviews on Yelp. Ricotta, where is your girl? I already got her. I'm a baller, a rapper, spit flows harder than molten lava. Sandwich squad, can't be stopped, we're gonna be on top above all-nighters. What kind of album name is Thoughts? Blue cheese, Parmigiano, and that Gargonzola. Try to step the sandwich squad, will kill you, your career's over. Got that knockout flow like Rocky, aiming straight for your head. Spit a verse that'll put you to sleep and tuck you in the bed. Sandwich squad for life, we're putting our name on the map. Wake up and listen, go ahead, hit 'em with the chorus, Matt.
Cheese, they put your sandwich at ease. You got that Abbott's Gold and the York of old. Got that Gouda, that smoke, that makes your mouth so stoked. Cause if you ain't got cheese, then your sandwich ain't pleased. Cheese, they put your sandwich at ease. You got that Abbott's Gold and the York of old. Got that Gouda, that smoke, that makes your mouth so stoked. Cause if you ain't got cheese, then your sandwich ain't pleased.
Cheddar, American, Kobe, Jack, and Gouda. Meditate on these rhymes like your boy is Buddha. Putting holes in all-nighters, call it Swiss cheese. Sandwich squad blowing up, we making enemies. So much cheese that we call it mozzarella. Sandwich squad handle more money than bank tellers. Your boy Young Mustard hotter than a fondue fountain. Fingers dirty from the money, I've been steady counting. Call me an accountant cause I'm calculating bars. Sandwich squad shooting for the stars, way past Mars. I'm living the cheese life, you know we call it cottage. In the kitchen cooking nachos, better check the wattage. Got cheddar sharper than the blades I always carry. The shit is serious, we don't fuck around with dairy. Shout out to our producer, BLT.
You know, shout out to everyone who supported us. Lysol Pine Star Rice Ball, Frankus, BLT, Wonder Bread, Monterey Matt, Soggy Tomato Squared, and Oprah Winfrey. Sandwich squad, fuck with us.